At Altro, sustainability sits right at the heart of everything we do. It's in our purpose, which sits at the top of our strategy. And our purpose, the future is safer with Altro, is all about our employees and our customers taking responsibility for safety, hygiene and sustainability. As a private family business, sustainability has always been very important to us, and we've taken our environmental responsibilities very, very seriously. But sustainability for us is more than just the environment. It's also the social and economic factors, and three together form the very core part of our sustainability programme. At Altro, we believe that to be credible, our main product has to be recyclable. And for many years, people believed that Altro safety flooring couldn't be recycled because it contains aluminium oxide to give you the long-term slip resistance. And the only thing harder than aluminium oxide is industrial diamond. But thanks to some pioneering technology and a substantial investment in 2007, Altro became the first and only manufacturer to be able to recycle traditional safety flooring. In 2009, Altro co-founded Recofloor, which is the vinyl take-back scheme that collects all waste vinyl from UK building sites. And since 2009, we've recycled over 1,000 tonnes of vinyl waste. And in fact, Altro has recycled all of the safety flooring, no matter whether it was our own product or from our competitors. Finally, we mustn't forget Altro White Rock wall cladding, which is also recycled through the Reco wall scheme, which works in much the same way as the Reco floor scheme. The Altro Express Lay collection is the world's first ever adhesive-free safety flooring, and as such it has unrivaled sustainability credentials. First of all, during manufacture we use a high percentage of recycled content, and secondly, because it's adhesive-free, it's also contaminant-free at the end of its lifetime, so it can be fully recycled or indeed used in another flooring project. Last year, in fact, 63,000 square metres of Altro Express Lay were used in the Olympic Park, and because of this product, Altro in fact was the only approved supplier of PVC flooring into the Olympic Park. Of course, Altro Express Lay was the perfect product to be used in the Olympic Games because so many of the venues were temporary, and so the product could be taken up at the end of its life and either fully recycled or used in other venues. And in fact, some of it was used in other local schools around the Olympic Park. Customers that have used Express Lay absolutely love it and tend to come back and use it over and over again because it saves them so much time and money. Of course, in the first instance, they don't have to purchase an adhesive, so this saves them money. And secondly, they don't have to wait for it to cure, and so this saves them time. Express Lay can also be installed onto a concrete slab up to 97% relative humidity. So again, the contractor doesn't have to purchase a surface damp-proof membrane, and again, doesn't have to wait for that to cure. So in fact, Altro Express Lay is a product that can be installed, welded and walked upon all in one day. But of course it can be used in projects where there's no damp-proof membrane, perhaps where there's an uneven subfloor, where you need to get in and out of the building quickly, or in fact if you want a product which is 100% recyclable. It can also be used in listed buildings and of course in temporary buildings. There are many instances where you can use Altro Express Lay. Well, we've recently expanded the collection of Altro Express Lay to 42 colours. And of course all of these colours complement our other safety floorings and our Altro White Rock wall cladding. And as the inventors of safety flooring, we're constantly trying to challenge the industry's perception of how our products can be used. And if you think about it, Altro Express Lay is three products in one. It's the safety flooring, it's the surface damp-proof membrane, and it's the adhesive. And as such, it dramatically reduces carbon emissions. We hope that sustainability will form a core part of our business strategy, and that sustainability will absolutely be integrated into everything we do and into the culture of the business. Over the last 4 years, we've reduced waste to landfill by 70%, and now we're going one step further, so we'll have zero waste to landfill by 2016. When we won the 2012 Manufacturing Excellence Awards for Sustainability, this in fact was our 6th award for sustainability, and over the next 5 years, we're looking for further validation for our sustainability programme. And finally, we'd like to see ourselves in our customers' minds as the leading choice for floors and walls products, where sustainability is right at the top of their agenda.